Manufacturing, which enriches our lives, has been changing every day. Changes in where to produce, how to produce, and who to produce. To keep up with these changes, innovations in manufacturing sites must be achieved. Evolution in control, intelligence developed through ICT and AI, and new harmonization between human and machine through introduction of robots are needed to improve productivity. The key to handle these challenges is integration of control and information. Omron has adopted general-purpose processors for its industrial controllers in order to achieve the integration of control and information and to continue to evolve them. We have also maximized the performance of our controllers by using multi-core architecture. Now, we can realize complex machine controls requiring ultra-high speed and high precision, which we could hardly have had before. Also, we have achieved microsecond level of accuracy. We can generate a rich variety of data of excellent origins in quite a short interval. The NX7 machine automation controller can synchronously control up to 256 servo motors and continuously write hundreds of thousands of bytes of data per second to an SQL server. NX7 detects strange behaviors in equipment in real time, combining AI technology and control at ultra-high speed. The world's first machine automation controller with AI technology. NY Series Industrial PC is equipped with high-speed control and reliability of PLC and the versatility and flexibility of Windows. For high-precision processing with a mold processing machine, machine condition setting can be automated by quantifying craftspersonships. An automatic control system with optimal processing conditions that exceed the judgment of a skilled worker has been constructed. This system has shortened machining time by 40% and reduced tool wear by 20%. For a final inspection of automotive parts containing small motors, the system can collect and analyze several tens of kilohertz high-speed analog signals, which are required for judgment, and can store all results in a traceability database. Just one controller completes the inspection instead of conventional special programs created with a signal processing dedicated computer. Development time and costs can be significantly reduced. The manufacturing environment will furtherly evolve with automation of information utilization level and expansion of information utilization scope. Non-stop equipment, defect-free lines, and optimization of entire supply chain will come true. This is an example of a future manufacturing site with a high affinity between operation technology and information technology. Affinity with the cloud technology will increase more. Human and machine work together in remote places to support manufacturing sites. Now, Omron can show the demonstration of the concept for this future vision through an augmented reality world. In the future, Omron will increase an affinity between manufacturing sites and IT to bring innovations to manufacturing sites with the 3 I's. Omron will continue to contribute to innovations in manufacturing by evolving the integration of control and information.